Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your freelance account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your freelance account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in freelance.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of freelance over here. So let's translate this. Now in order to log into your freelance account from over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a login button available for us just beside the contact. Click on the login and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to proceed for a freelancer account, you can see guys here it says I'm a freelancer, but if you're else you can go to the I'm a customer or I'm a partner. With that being said guys, let's click on the freelancer side, and over here guys let's click on agree and continue. Over here, in order to proceed guys, either you can log into your freelance account with your Google account. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a page where you will be able to log into your Google account, and if you sign into your Google account over there, you'll be logged into your freelance account with your Google account. But for a manual login, enter your email address over here which you had registered on freelance at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always click on the forgot your password button. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your password. And with that being said, after entering email address and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your freelance account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your freelance account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.